Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the NAVITEL R2 Full HD Dashcam. At the time of recording, this is on Amazon for £40. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I have also reviewed other dash cameras on my channel as well. I will link them down below and I will leave a pop-up card if you want to watch them reviews. Before we get started, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Some information on the box: it's full HD 1080 2-inch display, 140 degrees field of view, 4-layer glass lens, G sensor, and maximum 64 GB SD card. It does not come with an SD card, you have to provide your own, and of course it has night vision. Let's open it. The first thing is the dash cam, leave that to a side for now. A cigarette lighter, a micro USB cable, a suction mount, and some paperwork. So if I open the dash cam, that is small, that has a sticker on letting us know that it's 1080p, G sensor, 140 degrees field of view and night vision. Some buttons there, that's the menu button, selection button, OK, and back arrow, forward arrow. At the bottom, that's where the SD card would go, and as it said in the box, maximum 64 GB, and that's a reset hole, microphone, nothing on this side. At the bottom, micro USB charging port, that's where the mount would fit, and power on button. That's what it looks like from the front. It says R2, some branding, full HD, and that's the lens. If I just open the mount, and I'll quickly show you how that would fit on. It just slides on the bottom like so. I like this design because you could remove it easily as well, and that of course would fit onto your windscreen. Okay, let's turn it on. I have a power bank here with a micro USB cable in it. So let's just move this out of the way. Let's get that. I'll put that on. If I remove this, it's turned on. It's prompting me to insert a SD card, but I'll do that in a bit. So at the top here, if I just grab my pen, that will be the time it's recorded. SD card signal there, it's letting me know it's plugged in. The time and date, which are wrong at the moment, I'll set them. So loop recording sign, recording sign. So if I just show you, if I push the M button, that's gone into the photo mode now. So it's 1280 by 960, 1.3 megapixel. That's the photo settings. If I push it again, there's no files, but that's how you would get to see playback. Click it again. I do have the cover on the lens at the moment. The one next to that, if I click that, resolution, press OK, 1080p to 720, leave it on 1080p, OK to that. After that we have record cycle, click on that. 1 minute 3 to 5, it's set on 1 minute, let's put it to 3 minutes, OK. Interval record off, so leave it off for now. Exposure, motion detection, if I click down again, recording, that's obviously on, isn't it? Then date stamp, that's on, you could turn that off as well if you want. G sensor, that's on low, medium or high. This is a really useful thing to have. I'm going to leave it on medium actually. So if you are in an accident, that will stop the SD card from overwriting itself. It will lock that recording. Parking mode, again for that you need the hardwired kit, but we don't have that. So if I push the, again, LCD, you could turn it off. Auto power off. Frequency, that bleep sound, you could turn that off as well. Language, date and time, format. When you put an SD card in, it's very important to format it first, which I will be doing when I put in default settings. You could restore everything to default settings if you make changes, and that's it. Click that again and then we're back. Nice and simple. Okay, I'll include some daytime and nighttime footage in now. Just before I play the daytime and nighttime footage, I wanted to show you this. I also have the R9. This is a GPS Wi-Fi dashcam. This has a rear camera as well to it, as you can see there. So NAVITEL very kindly sent me both of these, but I'm doing separate videos, so stay tuned for that if you want to watch that review. Okay, I'll include the daytime and nighttime footage now. From the dashcam, you've seen daytime and nighttime footage. For £40 it isn't bad. I'll link it down below if you're interested in picking it up. If you found the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you